Welcome back, students. Today we will start the third chapter of Honeycomb, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It is a funny story. So before you get into the realm of the story, you must know that Hilsa is a popular fish found in rivers of India. It is mostly sold during monsoon season. In the story, the season is probably of monsoon. In the kingdom, everyone seems talking about the Hilsa fish. The main character of the chapter is Gopal. He is a wise man of the court of the king. How he got a way to come out from this whole situation in a dramatic way or in a funny way, we will read all this through this chapter. So let's start with the summary of it. Fishermen were catching no other fish in particular. They were focusing only on Hilsa. Even in the market, fish merchants were selling Hilsa in great gusto. They were offering even discounts and other hacks to lure customers. The height of popularity reached inside the king's palace. Even the ministers and courtiers found gossiping and discussing Hilsa fish. It was like Hilsa fish seemed to be an important topic over other state affairs. This whole the situation made the king lose his temper. He believed that no one could stop the people from talking about Hilsa fish, not even Gopal, who was the wisest man in his court. The king challenged Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him about it. And Gopal accepted the challenge. After a few days, Gopal shaved beard from half of his face and smeared ash on himself. He wore rags and looked disgraceful. His wife was shocked and asked him not to leave home like this. But Gopal kept on telling her that he was going to buy a huge Hilsa fish. She thought Gopal had gone mad. At the market, Gopal bought a huge Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. No one noticed the fish, but everyone was looking at Gopal walking strangely with his shabby clothes. People called him mystic and mad. After purchasing that huge Hilsa fish from the market, Gopal went to meet the king, but he was stopped by the guards at the palace gate. He started dancing and singing loudly in front of the royal palace. The king ordered his guards to produce the men before him. Everyone in the court was shocked seeing Gopal dressed up like a madman. The king questioned Gopal about the reason for his weird attire. Gopal reminded the king about the challenge and told him that from the market to the royal palace, no one had asked him a single word about the Hilsa fish. The king burst into laughter and accepted that Gopal had done the impossible once more. The moral of the lesson, Gopal and the Hilsa fish, is nothing is impossible in the world. Smart people make smart decisions, and that is the most important factor in how things turn out good for you. Smart people can achieve anything in the world with his or her intelligence. So, students, this was the summary of the chapter. I hope that you enjoyed the chapter. Here I am giving the questions to find out. You just read the chapter first try to get the summary and then try to find out the answer of these questions. We will discuss all these in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.